The delegation to the Americas, the multi-party delegation led by Dr. Tharoor, has reached Guyana. This is our first official engagement today. Guyana is a very important country in South America for India. Close to 40% of Guyanese population is of Indian origin, and there are a number of Indian companies, especially in areas of infrastructure, energy, hydrocarbons, that are involved in Guyana. Many Indian universities are functioning here. A large number of Caribbean and Indian students also study here. Guyana is also the founding member of CARICOM, which is a very important voice in the Global Committee of Nations. And therefore this visit assumes importance. Over the last few years, after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Guyana, the relationship between the two nations has further strengthened. The objective of the mission, of course, is to communicate to the world and amplify India's message of zero tolerance against Pakistani terrorism. For almost 7 decades, India has suffered Pakistan-sponsored terrorism. While India aims to strengthen itself, lift millions out of poverty, and contribute positively to the growth and well-being of the world, it is constantly distracted and needled by Pakistan's terrorism, which has weaponized terrorism as its statecraft. Across political parties, across regions of India, all members of parliament have come here to express India's solidarity in one voice against terrorism. And in this interconnected global world, one nation's inaction against terrorism can actually be a threat to all nations. Therefore, this is not just an India problem, but this is a global problem, because most of the terrorist attacks all over the world, whether it was the London bombings, the Easter bombings in Sri Lanka, the Paris attacks, the 9/11 in United States, all investigations have shown that in some way or the other, directly or indirectly, Pakistan is involved in some way. Therefore, Pakistan's terrorist infrastructure is a threat not just to its immediate neighborhood, but to the rest of the world. We are therefore asking for collective action, and today we will be participating in the 59th Guyanese Independence Day celebrations, meeting with the President of Guyana, who is a great friend of India. Today evening in the midnight, we will all be participating in the Guyanese Independence Day celebration, and we wish the people of Guyana a very, very happy Independence Day.